Good afternoon. This is Master BCM TV on YouTube. Master BCM TV on YouTube. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen clipper blade professionally, logically, technically, strategically, okay, without obtaining error, with error free. You are welcome back to my channel, Master BCM TV. If you have not subscribed before watching the video, number one thing we have to do is to subscribe to this channel. You press the notification button, subscribe to Master BCM TV YouTube channel. Subscribe to Master BCM TV YouTube channel. Press the notification button so that you can be able to be seeing the new updates. New updates. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen your stone surfaces, to design them to different types, smooth, normal, quartz, different types. This is a channel to learn how to sharpen your clipper blade professionally, logically, technically. Okay. All the clipper blades are being condemned by many barber studies proprietors, students, the whole public, that the clipper blade is not good again. You bring them back to normal. You bring them back to normal, you sharpen them back, you return them back to new clipper blade, even better than the new clipper blade. You see this one now, it's a new clipper blade that had not been sharpened before, used to condemn. Just one time used to condemn. You can see it, used to condemn. You see it, clipper blade used to condemn. This inner surface is deep, totally. It's very deep. It's very deep. How are we going to sharpen it step by step to sharpening clipper blade? That is live sharpening. This one is live sharpening clipper blade challenge. Live sharpening. Live sharpening. You watch directly, lively, the way clipper blade is being sharpened successively, without error, error free. Sharpness successively tested, confirmed. If you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade, subscribe to this channel very fast. Don't waste your time. Don't leave it till tomorrow. Subscribe for you to see the new videos coming up, the assistant videos, the upcoming videos, so that you can be able to face your challenges in sharpening very well. You face your challenges. Any challenges you have in sharpening of clipper blade, you really overcome them. You overcome your clipper blade sharpening errors. You overcome them. Please let us use this time to subscribe if you have not subscribed before. New viewers, new subscribers, you are welcome. New subscribers, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Master BCM TV YouTube channel, where you are going to learn step by step to sharpen clipper blade professionally, logically, technically, strategically. Okay. This is a channel where you acquire the best of the knowledge in handling your stone, in adding your clipper blades. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe so that anytime I come on live, you are going to see it. The moment you don't subscribe, you don't press the notification button, you might not see the channel again. I'm telling you sincerely, this is an opportunity for you. You might not see the channel again. You might not see the channel. You might not see the channel. That is why I advise people to subscribe, press the notification button. That's an opportunity for you. It's a very, very big opportunity. Very big opportunity. You subscribe, you press the notification button. You subscribe, you press the notification button. So that anytime I come on live, you are going to see the live direct. The notification will come to you. The notification will come direct to your screen. Please don't let it be only you watching the video, please. Let's share this video out for many people to get the advantage. Now let us start sharpening the clipper blade. Let us use yeah. Before we go, we clean the surface of our stone. This is a small surface stone for teaching tutorials. This stone will show us step by step the way the sharpening is going. Yeah, live sharpening clipper blade challenge. To come on live to sharp, totally different from recording and editing. Totally different, because if you are not sure of the sharpening very well, you cannot come on live to be sharpening clipper blade. You cannot come on live to sharpen because you don't know where the result is going to be if you are not perfect. If you are not competent enough, you might be thinking it's going to favor you. At the end of the day, when you test, the result may be vice versa. Then when you are competent of what you are doing, you've been practicing different times, lot of times, practicing, getting the same type of result. Yeah, showing you that you are competent. You have enough experience in sharpening the clipper blade, the upper inner surface, bottom inner surface for human beings, for animals, successively without errors. And along the line, it used to happen many times. Immediately I start live like this, customer will just come, carry blade, come say, I want to sharpen. You may even hear the voice, because the person will not know that I'm under live or I'm recording video. The person will just come, good afternoon, good morning, I want to sharpen clipper blade. So how do you want to do it? You that you want to do tricks, or what can I even call it? You don't have to sharpen clipper blade very well. You want to try it on live, to sharpen clipper blade lively. Now a customer come with 3 sets of clipper blade, or at least one. Say, Oga, please, I want to sharpen clipper blade, and you are under live. You have to sharpen that clipper blade lively before starting the tutorial you want to do. It has happened many times in my life. The moment I come on live like this to start preparing to start the live stream, customer will just come like 2 or 3 times. I want to sharpen clipper blade. Before you finish that, another person will come. I want to sharpen clipper blade. Another person will come. You see like that. And at times I collect big clipper blade from customers. They are sitting watching me, and I start the live. You may not know that people are with me. You think it is only me the inside. During the day like this, some people are with me. At times when they want to sharpen clipper, they give it to me. Then they sit down watching. So now, number one thing we have to do is to subscribe to the channel. You press the notification button so that you will not miss the channel again. Yeah, you may not miss the channel. Let us clean the clipper blade very well. Let us clean it very well. Let us clean it very well. We want to attach the masking tip at the back. This kind clipper blade is difficult to sharp. it is too slippery. It's difficult to sharp. To bring it back to normal the way barber, stylist, proprietor use it in my environment here, it's difficult to sharpen it back to new one again. But if you are watching my program, you subscribe to my channel, step by step I'm doing it. Yeah, you have to know your way out. You have to know your way out. Step by step I'm doing it. You follow me up. Yeah, I'm trying to fix the clipper, the masking tape at the back. Please, as you enter one by one, please tell me to share the video so that many people can get the advantage of the video. Don't let it be only you. Please share to Facebook group, your Facebook, your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp group, your friends on WhatsApp. Please let me share it out. So see the way I've attached the masking tape at the back of the blade. You want to start the sharpening from the upper clipper blade, inner surface. You can see it. So let's start the sharpening now using the smooth surface stone, smooth surface. I'm using the special stone and the super hard mana sharpening stone for sharpening. Now I want to use the angle 45 degree. How do I manage to get the angle 45 degree? Let me see explain for the benefit of the new viewers, new subscribers, so that when they want to sharp, they can be able to know exactly how to place their blade on the super hard mana sharpening stone. This is the when you carry your line like this angle of 0, this angle of 180. When you take it upright, this angle of 90. When you divide into 2, this angle 45 degree, you can see it in this way. This is how to position your blade at the angle of 45 degree. Then you divide your blade again into 2, you divide it into 4. So when you sharpening here, you place your thumb like this. When sharpening the other side, you place your thumb like this. Then you divide your stone into 2 again. You divide your blades into 2. You use this half portion of the stone to sharpen this half part of the blade. Then you use the remaining half portion of the stone to sharpen the remaining half part of the stone, the blade. You see it this way. The way you apply your pressure here, you let it be the same when you are sharpening. Your to and fro counting for one side have to be the same with the other side. That's how you continue. The way you treat surface for the first side have to be the same with the other side. That's how you continue step by step to sharpen to achieve your correct sharpening. Yeah, this is live clipper blade sharpening, live one. Yeah, let us go now. Let's go 10 times each for one side. That's 10 times. Let's repeat for the other side. That's 10 times again. Let us see what is going to happen on the surface of the upper clipper blade. Let us see what is going to happen. You still have to repeat it again. There's still dark portion there. Though the stone has tried a lot, but still we have to repeat it. The total shining and total flatness has not shown very well. It has not shown, but it has begun to form. Let's repeat it again because the clipper blade is rotting. You need to scrape all those rotten portions on the surface of the stone. You need to clear it out. 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 Let's go again 10 times. Let me come closer to the screen. You can see it. Total flatness is coming out, total shining is coming out little by little. But when you watch carefully on the surface, this area I want to cover. Watch carefully now. You can see that portion there, dark. The shining is not shining very well. The flatness is not showing very well. You still need to repeat it to scrape all those dark portion out of the screen, out of the surface of the blade to make it very, very flattened and total shining across to show properly. Let us still go again. We go step by step, one after the other. Please help me to share this video out. You know, this kind of tutorial is worldwide. Almost the whole country throughout the world is watching this program. So if you're a lucky one that have the opportunity of watching this video, please help me to share it out. Let many people know how to sharpen clipper blade using the stone. People are leaving the stone. They don't want to use it again. Yeah, it has great fairness on the people's mind. Barbers, stylists, proprietors, even the whole public. Many people now fear the using of the stone. That is going to spoil the clipper blade. It's going to spoil the clipper blade. They now mount the fault on the stone. Not remember how to use your tongue, placing it on the back of the clipper blade on the stone to sharpen the clipper blade. They've forgotten the error that can come through the tongue. They have forgotten the error. They now mount all the fault on the surface of the stone. That stone is not good. It's not good. You can never use to acquire the best of the sharpening in the sharpening studio. You can never use your stone like say you are using sharper. Many people say this. That is why before I do only few these videos. When challenges are many, people are doubting the work. When I sharpen correct sharpening tutorial, giving a very good sharpening tutorial, editing, say it's editing. Whatever you sharpen, there will be it's editing. What do you mean by editing? So anything produced under editing cannot be original. People now doubting. So that is why I come on live. It has been several months ago now. I'm coming on live to do it. Anything I want to do is to be on live. As I'm on the tutorial now, customer now come with set of clipper blade or 2 or 3 or more than that. I have to bring it on live to sharpen it correctly. I leave the tutorial I'm doing. I now attend to customer lively, sharpen it from A to Z and test it, confirm. Now give it back to the customer. Customer go away, then I start continue with the tutorial again to show the whole world that using of stone, you can use it perfectly. You can use it perfectly, error-free. No wasting of time, chemical, energy, and money. Delay people die, your customer die. No, you don't need it. You don't need it at all. You don't need it at all. So far, you know the step by step, the tricks. Yeah, the strategies you use in fashioning the surfaces of your clipper blades out, using the super hard manners of those surfaces, using the thumb or magnetic clipper blade holder to fashion out correct sharpening on the blade. Once you know it, you have the confidence to do it lively. All clipper blades are being sharpening tested, always confirmed, 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 error free. Yeah, so we don't need to doubt it. That is why I'm giving I always beg people, giving out lively throughout the world. The whole world is watching the program. The whole world, all countries throughout the world are watching this program and doing. And before you can be sharpening lively, you have to be sure of yourself. Be sure of your accuracy, competent in the sharpening of the clipper blade. Most especially all these rotten clipper blades. Some people have sharpened the clipper blade, they did not get it right. After using it rotting, they now go and drop it inside the dustbin. Everything now rotting. Those are the clipper blades I'm searching for, bringing them on live to sharpening. That's a live sharpening challenge to prove to the whole world that stone can do better. Not only sharper do better, stone self can do better. Even if you are more competent on using of the stone, person using sharper is not expert, you will overtake the person. Doesn't depend on the engine, because many people get confused. Hey, the person is using sharper, is using, does it mean person using sharper cannot get error? Does it mean somebody using sharper is error free? If at all he newly buy the sharper, so he don't even know how to use it, he has not practiced for some years, busy on the work, knowing how many ways the error can come, how many ways to correct the error, which type of the error can come through the disc, which type of error can come through the way you handle your magnetic clipper blade holder, how many errors can come through the way you activate the surface of your disc. Many people don't think of that one. They just believe, say, once you buy sharper, you don't buy sharper, you have to sharpen all type of clipper blade. It's totally no. It's totally no. I'm telling you sincerely. If you receive the tutorial finish, they train you, you have to practice. They cannot just bring professional to your hand once. They can only direct you the way to use it to make your movement and achieve the best of the sharpening on the disc. Left to you to practice. It's left to you. It's left to you to practice. They cannot be staying with you from morning till evening every day. Maybe you don't even see each other, you order it. You are living in another country, you now requested for it from another country again. Country far away to each other. And whereas you are not the only their customer they are attending to, many customers are buying, giving tutorial to many of their customers. So that is why I'm saying, depending on the way you maneuver your way to get full skill on the sharpening. So before you can come lively on the stone, you have to check yourself very well. It's not a joke. Ask people sharpening clipper blade. Many people still have complained up to now. When I sharpen 10 sets of clipper blade, only 3 is working, only 4 is working. Calling me different times. You see, different countries. Please help me out in this way, help me out in another way, in which we do, and all are very successful. So before you can come on live sharpening, you need to check yourself very well. You have the full confidence. You know the tricks, logics, which you have been doing that a master, become part and parcel of your system. When they wake you like this, immediately you continue sharpening, error free, error free, error free. Let us go for another time and see what is going to happen. Let us go 20 times to and fro. That's 20 times. That's 20 times again, 20 times each for one side. If you practice very well, it's very, very easy to know. But if you don't want to watch videos, you don't want to watch lives, upcoming videos, you don't want to watch it, it's very, very hard. Oh, I'm telling you sincerely. As I'm doing inside, to be like say I'm performing magic. And many people have turned into magician. Some people call me wizard. Say, this one a wizard. Oh. Some say this one a winch. See the way this one is using stone, like say he's using sharper. Some people say this one a winch. Some say this person a wizard. Anyhow, you call me. Alaikum salam. So I'm coming. I have a customer. Back right away. Kí ló sọ? O fi fóònù kalẹ̀ o wàá gbà mọ́. Wọ́n lọ lọrin lánàá. Àwọn mẹ́fà ọ̀sẹ̀ wo fóònù tó tó sanwó. Ṣé tí fóònù rẹ bá sọ ní ìṣòro? Èmi ò lè gbá ní. Wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi. Wọ́n fóònù wa. Johanna. Ọmọ rẹ̀ ń kọ́. I'm sorry, I'm back again. I'm sorry for that. You know, I told you I used to say sometimes I'm not doing only one job or about 6 jobs, I gather them together. Let me cut it back on the screen first. I'm trying to read the name of the person saying hi. It's too small. It's too small. I can't read it. It's too small. But I'm saying hi to you too. God bless you. I'm saying hi to you too. Let us watch the inner surface now. You see that the shining has shown very well. The shining has shown very well. It has shown. You watch carefully now. You can still repeat it one time to show brighter very well, to clear those carbons, black color, to clear it off totally. And the one thing I want you to take note again is that the way you sharp, you don't, let me bring the pointer to show you very well. You don't ever try to over sharpen. See this area, this the height of the blade here, you see the height here, you see the height at the back here. Don't over sharp to clear this height. Don't sharp only one time to clear everything. You only brush, you chop little by little to be reducing it in a way that if somebody is watching it, you can't see the difference. Just a little difference will be there. Only the surface is going to show you that the clipper blade is sharpening, but not to show through this height. You need to master that one. Oh. When person being blade of higher height for you, a great height, now you return it back to only sharpening, you brush everything down, chop everything down. That one is not good. So that's why you need to be doing it slowly to just be chopping it little by little. Once you just meet the sharpening area, you stop in that one, in that area, you stop there. Let's go once again. Let's repeat it once again. That's 10 times. That's 10 times again. 10 times each for one side. Let us watch again. Yeah. Let's stop like this. Let's stop like this. Let's stop here. You can see it now. Please help me share this video out so that many barbers, stylists, proprietors, barber engineers, the whole public, even the students, can be able to get the advantage. You can watch and learn, know how to sharp, using it to make money. Yeah. Very, very easy to know when you follow the instruction, you watch the videos. And don't depend only one or two videos. Yeah. Some people call me, they are watching one video, two videos. You need to watch many videos if you want to understand this one fully. Watch many videos to know the step by step. I'm sharpening. You want to change, oh no, don't let us change the stone. Let's first use this one for the, I'm trying to clean the surface of the stone. This smooth surface stone. Smooth surface stone. That's special stone. This one is biscuit bone. Yeah. Then after you now apply your kerosene, you spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You apply it to cover. You apply it to cover. Now let us start with the bottom clipper blade. Let me first show you before we start. You see this blade? Learners will not try this one to start. Oh, don't use all this kind of blade to start your work, or not to discourage yourself. You have to start with Starex. You start your learning with Starex. You start your sharpening with Starex. All these clipper blade now, only the confirmed people, the professionals can handle them. If care is not taken, it's going to spoil the surface of your stone, and at the end of the day, it's going to waste your time. At the end of the day, again, if care is not taken, you may not even achieve your aim, sharpening successively. So let us go. Let us go one time like this. That's 10 times. Yes. Ẹ dákun ẹ wọlé, mò ń ṣe live lọ́wọ́ ni. Ẹ dákun wà lórí live. Ok, Aláàjì ẹ báwo? Ẹ má bínú, ẹ dákun, mò ń ṣe live lọ́wọ́ ni. Gbogbo ilé ń kọ́, àkúrò nǹkan jẹ.
Mo mà tún láì kẹ̀kẹ́ yìí.
Àwọn tó ń bá ṣe fíìmù ló fún mi.
Ó kẹ́ wọ́n fún yín ni.
Lẹ́yìn tí ìfátà yẹn, yẹn ń sẹ́ńdì lé sí. Gbogbo ilé ń kọ́, ẹ dákun rẹ̀. À ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́, à ń dúpẹ́.
Ẹ fún mo ní di káàṣì ètò ọ̀nà ẹ fún mi láka nàmbà yín ní sẹ́yìn lẹ́sìn.
Èmi ò ní káàṣì báyìí ní tẹ́wọ̀.
Mo fẹ́ ra èédú.
Ní káàṣì báyìí.
Ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀dọ̀ ìwádìí máa ti.
Ní káàṣì báyìí.
Ẹ jẹ́ wá POS.
Nígbà mo lọ lọ́yìn lánàá, change ti ń bẹ lọ́ọ̀mí náà mo lò lọ́yìn lánàá. Mo sì tún generate owó ni.
Ṣé àwọn ń tà?
A ń manage ẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀. Gbogbo ilé ń kọ́, àwọn àbúrò ń kọ́, àní ṣiṣẹ́. Mo ń ṣe live ní ìbájáde dákun mẹ́bùnú wọ̀. So let me come and show you. Let me come and show you. Let me come and show you the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. This blade now, I'm coming. I want to change the light. There's something I want to show. There's something I want to show you. Yeah. Hey, watch like this. Look at this inner surface of this small blade. Let me bring the pointer. There's one thing I want you to take note very well. If you don't know how to study the inner surface of blade, this clipper blade is this name one. It has not been sharpened once. This is going to be the first time I'm sharpening it. But the only one time they use it, they overuse it. They use it to condemn, use it to rotten. Now watch this inside. Watch carefully. Look at this area I'm covering. Starting from here like this. Come like this. See the way I'm moving? Like this. Then now reach here. That's one step. Then when we now bend it again, I want to carve it out. I'm coming. What I want to bring out is that within this area I covered, I show you just now, it's not the same level again. From the center like this, from here to the front, is down. This is the second step now. This area I covered. Then the third step is this area. This area joining with this thicker blade, joining with this thicker blade. So in form of cup. That's the first step now. The second step is around this area. The third step is in the front. So which means this step now, this U shape and this area are the same level. And at times here used to be higher than here. I will tell you the reason why. Some people, when they newly buy clipper blade, now when they use it dull within 3 weeks or 2 weeks now, they now put masking tape here. Let me show you. They put the masking tape, I'm sorry. They apply masking tape at here, at the back, so that the upper clipper blade back side will now be placed on the masking tape. They raise the back up. I will show you now. I want to cut the masking tape to size. When they use it though, they now apply masking tape on this area. You see this area like this? They now attach masking tape here. So they are first use it dull when they buy it new like 3 weeks. They did not resharpen it. It cannot work again. The clipper blade is dull. They now apply masking tape here. They now place the blade on it like this. Mount it on the clipper. So when they mount it like this, you know that the bottom part of it here will now be placed on the masking tape. It will not touch the back, the surface of the clipper blade here. It will not touch. It will not have contact. This back here will not have contact with the surface of this bottom clipper blade. It's now placed on the masking tape. So therefore, the height still remain the same. Whereas as this one is moving up and down, it will be chopping here. You see here will not be where after this one now they use it though, they still reapply another masking tape, making it true again to raise the back side of the clipper blade again, the hopper. You see it in this way. They use it for another moment again. After they use it done now, they still apply another masking tape here, making 3. They put this one on top again. You know that the inner part of this one now is not touching with the bottom of the surface of the bottom clipper blade again. It's only the front here and only the front now agree touching each other. So the highest point now will now be this back, this area I cover, because they did not allow the surface of the upper clipper blade back to be taking effect on the surface of the blade to be touching each other. They've put something in between. So this area now will be the highest point. The second area, let me bring the pointer again to show you very well. You can be able to understand what I'm trying to fashion out. This area is the highest point now. When we remove the masking tape, followed by this area, number 2, followed by this inner part here, followed by here. You see the steps inside. So if you don't know, if you don't take a very extra careful to study the inner surface, you might be thinking all the surfaces are the same. But when you continue sharpening, you see that the stone is touching one area than the other. And for those who don't know how to study the inner surface very, very well, when you see total shining across at times, if the flatness is not there, the clipper blade cannot work. If you didn't see the total flatness, the shining is not there, it will not work at all. The two have to come the same. Using this way now, let's continue using the smooth surface stone. Let us see what the surface is going to give out again. That is why I'm saying sharpening of clipper blade is with logics. And you have to know how to study the inner surface of the clipper blade correctly. How to study the inner surface correctly. You must be able to observe. You must be able to observe. You must be able to observe. Let's continue sharpening and see what is going to happen. Then there's one thing I want to explain again. Let me place the blade. Let me come with the pointer. You see the way I place the pointer, the center of the blade where you divide it into two. At the same time again, you divide it into four portions like this. Let me see whether the camera can pick. Yes, camera can pick. Yeah, the camera can pick it. Let me cut this one. The pointer is broken. Yeah, you place it here. Then you place this one here. Where if you are sharpening this type of condemned clipper blades or rotten clipper blades or overused clipper blade, when the surface has been over dull, you have to maintain your balance of the thumb at the back of the blade to stay in one position. The moment you are shifting here and there on the back of the blade, you are putting error on the surface, the inner surface of the blade. You might be thinking you are sharpening. At the end of the day, you try, the front may be working, low cut setting may not be working. At times, low cut may be working, the front and the center may not be working. When you want to scrape the head, you want to shave the beard, you want to draw pattern, you want to give friction in, the clipper blade will not work at all. But when you now adjust the clipper blade to the back for low cutting setting, this low cut setting will now be working. So many people that have been trying to sharpen clipper blade can really express all this what I'm saying. They will understand what I'm saying very well. But if you don't have never make attempt in sharpening, yes, sharpening for like 1 week, 2 weeks, trying to get it, try different type of error now coming out. You can never understand all this what I'm saying. Or you are learning. You're getting it small, you are getting many wrong, some right. You can still testify to what I'm saying. So if your thumb is not balanced, to stay in the same position, to correct or to sharpen or to fashion out the correct sharpening on the rotten clipper blade inner surfaces. If your thumb is not balanced well, the exact place you place your thumb for the first time, that's the exact place you are going to return the thumb at the same time for the second time. When you are going for the third time, the same spot again. If there is any changes, it will be affecting the level of the surface of the inner surface of the blade. The surface will not be balanced. At times, it's likely to get balanced. When you misplace your thumb, you scatter it again. You now discover that when you are studying the inner surface, the smoothness will not be showing accurately. The total flatness will still not be there. And as you continue sharpening, that line has shown you the height of the blade is going little by little. I'll show you now. That is why I say sometimes when we sharp, we come with full explanation. This height, this is the height of the blade here. This is the height. When you over sharp, this height will clear off. Though this height will clear off. This height we supposed to, the owner supposed to use this kind of clipper blade now for at least 2 years or 1.5 years now. Under 3 months now, everything is off. Let me find the blade I can take to describe that. You see now, watch this. look at this side, it's going to be in this way. When you over sharp now, sharp without control, you see it, you clear all the height off. The new clipper blade now turn to hold one. Only when you watch it at the back, look like new. But when you watch the inside, you see that this clipper blade has been used for so many years ago. It now resembles in that way. So we need to be balancing our thumb very well. You need to get accuracy in placing your thumbs in sharpening, so that exact spot you are placing your thumb have to be the same. Watch now. Let me reapply the chemical again. See where I place my thumb now. That's how you continue. Next time you also want to place it, that's the place you want to. If I thought you want to shift, I will tell you the reason that will make you to shift. That's 30 times. If you want to shift, if there is a reason for you to shift, I will tell you when to shift and where to shift your thumb to, and the reason why you have to shift. Yeah. That's 30 times to and fro each side. Let us watch now and see what is happening. You can see now, this blade is going to give us tough time. I will show you. You must be able to now to study the inner surface. If you want to go far, you must. It's under must. Without being able to study the inner surface, you can't go far. You just be over sharpening before the clipper blade can work. The clipper blade that's supposed to use for 2 years, under 1 month, you don't finish them. There's something I want to show you. Yeah, the camera pick it now. See the U shape, which show very clearly. Watch. Like this, like this, like this. Watch carefully now. See the U shape. That is only the place touching the stone, and here, that is only the place. Watch carefully now. Watch it at a distance. It can show clearly now. So we are going far away. Before this clipper blade can work like new one, we have to over chop, because all this area are totally down. We have to scrape all this area, and that is why you need to know how to design stone surfaces, because this type of blade, if you are using the smooth surface to clear this kind of fault, you want to bring it back to normal again, to bring it back to new one. You want to sharpen it correctly, so that when the owner is not there and the owner sees it after, he or she will not believe that this is my blade. He will not believe it. Or before the person go, that's the way I used to do. I give you that Dubai. You give him the, what do you call it, file to put mark there, so that it's going to recognize his blade or his blade. Because when he or she come back now, the surface has changed totally. Just a minute. Èmi ọ̀gbọ̀n àgbàlagbà wọ́n ti dàgbà tó ní máa jíwó ò ní máa jíwó okay. I'm very sorry, the network cut off. Now I restore it back again. That is why I'm saying we need to subscribe. Network in my environment here, it get as it be. It comes anytime and go away anytime without giving you no notice at all. Without giving you notice. Now, let us repeat the sharpening again. We have a long way to go on it. If you are going to use the smooth surface stone to show the signs, yeah, the step by step we move in going in sharpening the clipper blade, so that if you want to be seeing the signs as we are going on, I'll be showing you coming back. We have to use smooth surface stone, and we have a long way to go Then if you are to use, this is smooth surface stone, if you are to use coash, it can take us a longer period of time at all. Highest is 5 minutes. It may not be even up to. Highest is 5 minutes to use. Let me zoom in. To use coash, this is coash surface stone. Highest is 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes, we are going to submit it. But if you want to use, for using this one now, all this sign I'm showing you, you will never see it. You can only see the first time I show you the clipper is rotting. Like the first time I show you this clipper blade is rotting, see how it is. It has been used deeply, roughly, used to rotting. Immediately I put it on the stone, sharpen it, go to and fro 30 times, show you again, you just see total shine across and total flatness at once. The process, the stone has taken to sharpen the inner surface from A to Z. Now you will never see anything, you just see A, immediately you see Z. In between the A and Z, the alphabet is there, you will never see it. That's the problem of this what they call the coash. But when we use normal, this one too, normal surface stone, still equivalent to coash, you may not see many signs before you just see successful on this one too. Let me return it. But with this soft surface stone, smooth surface stone, now this one will be chopping the inner surface gradually by gradual. So all the necessary things supposed to be seen on the surface of the blade before we really achieve our aim in sharpening the clipper blade successively. You are going to see all. The step by step the stone is chopping, where it started, where it's migrating to, where the clipper blade color is dull, where it's brighter, shining, where it's partially black, deeply black. You are going to be seeing all if you use this smooth surface. So that is why I always use this one for tutorial for those who want to learn. I have different type of smooth surface. I have them like 3 here. 3 different type, but this one is the lowest grade. If I use other one too, you may not see some signs. You have to see some sign, it will miss some signs. You see like that. So now let us repeat the sharpening with smooth surface stone and see how the inner surface is going to be. But let us use large counting, like 50 times to and fro. Let us see how the changes will be. That is why I'm saying those who want to learn, you need to keep saying, what makes me to be coming slowly like this when people are calling me, say don't be too fast. You see, so use yourself, you need to calm down. To be seen the step by step, we are sharpening, and the way we are testing, watching the progress of the work. So that when you are trying your own sharpening on your own stone, you should be able to understand all these signs. How those signs come, which one come first? Which one are you first going to see? When the clipper blade was used roughly, normally you are going to see the U shape in the front, which U shape I've just shown you now. Normally, majority of the clipper blade, you are going to see that U shape. Immediately you see that U shape, you see the inside small black. The inner surface of it will be black, which means the inner surface of this small blade is totally down. Only that thicker blade by the corner, the other thicker blade by the corner, and that part of the small blade that joins the thicker blade by the left hand side to the right hand side, that forming that U shape. It is only that U shape you are going to see. The rest inside is black, which means you have a long way to go, unless you have a different type of stone surface you have fashion out to be solving each type of problems. You see them here, all these stones are working differently. Let me zoom in. All these stones are working differently. They are not the same. They work differently. The surfaces are different. So depending on how I want my work to be fast, this work we have been doing for so many minutes now, if I put it on the squash, or this one is lowest grade of squash, if I put it on squash 2 or squash 3 now, just once I will go, everything is off. I sharpen it correctly. So those people I'm teaching now, they will never understand anything. It will just be like magic. You put it now, you sharpen it now. What are the processes you take? You can't see any processes now. You just start A, B, C. You don't even start B. You just say A, Z. All the letters between A and Z now, where are they? That's the problem with quartz and the normal. But when we use lowest grade for smooth surface stone, you are going to see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You are going to see all. You are going to see all, which means if you follow the program very well, you must have to gain. You must have to gain. Nothing like say it's magic, nothing like magic there. You see what people are calling magic, you have seen the secret of it. The smooth surface stone has shown the secret. It's not like Akrabra, the more you see the less you understand. No. That is why I come slowly, doing it one step after the other so that you can see it very well. When you alone watch the video, you can never, I'm very sure you are going to grab important things there. So that is why I'm saying go and watch the video, watch the present one, watch the previous one, still prepare to come back for the new ones. Let's go again. Let's go 50 times now. Then let us use the whole surface of the stone for one side. The whole surface of the stone, for the second side, we use the whole surface of the stone again. Let us go 50 times. I'm sorry. That's 50 times. You see now, I will now clean the inner surface and show you before I start the second side now. Whether there is difference there, little difference there, little difference there. Little difference is there. I want to fashion it out very well. There's little difference. Then before I come up, as usual, I love to treat the surface of my stone. I can't just leave it like this. Yeah, that's how I used to do my stone. So let me come closer to the screen now and show you. Let me take my pointer. That is why if you want to know this, you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you need to watch videos. Watch carefully now. I want to show something out. If you watch from here like this, from this side, watch towards this kind of area. Though they resemble, but still, this area, stone works here. So when we repeat the sharpening for here now to now balance off, look at this center now. You can see black color there. This area I'm touching, this area. But when you watch here, you see that black, though it's still here, but it's faint. Those are the differences to be watching. That's why I'm saying who want to sharpen clipper blade must be a very good observer. Because in different directions, you position your blade, you must be able to be watching to examine the inside. This one is dark, this one is light, the same color, this one is totally dark, this one is totally shining across. You have to be watching very well so that you know where the stone has worked, where the stone has started working, where its work reach, where the stone has not touched at all, where it touched partially. All these things you need to watch them very well. You need to watch them very well. And there's one thing I want to show. Still say clipper blade, new clipper blade use rotting. The way you sharpen it different. Clipper blade sharpen successively before. Who sharpen it? They sharpen it correctly, professionally, logically, technically. Okay, working fine. Now they use it though. Even overused. The new clipper blade overused. The way you sharpen them the same way. But when somebody sharpen the clipper blade wrongly, the way they do in my environment now, after they sharpen it, they did not get it right. One side is up, one side is down. They spoil the whole inner surface. They now clean the blade again, mount it on the clipper engine. They now hold it down. They are adjusting the adjuster lever up as if say they are using it to barb. They'll be adjusting it like 5 minutes like that. It will now clear the new sharpening they did on the surface of the inner and the bottom clipper blade. It will clear that sharpening. When they now remove it, they show you, you might be thinking the clipper blade have been using for like 3 or 4 days. You see it, not for you to be thinking that they sharpen it to, they get it wrong, that's why they mount it on the engine again. But through the testing I've shown you, as a learner, you need to be tested, or somebody, as a learner who is becoming master, you've been sharpening 10 clipper blade 4 right, 5 right, whereas maybe your friends are giving you clipper blade to sharp, you need to be testing very well, so that through the testing you are giving the clipper blade now, it will allow you to see where it's all. It's from testing will now show you, say, see, this one is big, you have been sharpening it before, say, I've sharpened it now, I just mount it on the clipper edge again. You have seen the secret now, you have know it, so you're supposed to know where to start. So that is why I'm saying, you want to start sharpening the clipper blade, you want to become master in sharpening your clipper blade for yourself, for commercial. You don't want to know how to study the inner surface, you can't go far. Because how to study in that surface, I've taught you how to test. When you have gotten that one part is upper, one part is down, how are you going to clear the error out? It's through the clearing of errors now you become the master. You cannot start sharpening correctly, no matter how your teacher is perfect with you. You have to come with wrong sharpening. Through the correction, you now get everything right. So the way you correct it for new clipper blade, use dull, overuse. Then clipper blade sharpen correctly, use dull or overuse, use to rotting. The same way you take the process for the new and the old one, sharpen correctly. But the one sharpen wrong-sided before, now mounted on the engine and brought to you another different way to clear the error, totally different from the first and the second one I'm showing you now. Totally different from the new one, use dull. Old one, sharpen correctly, you use dull. Those one carry the same style. That is why I'm saying, go back and watch the videos. Go back. You need to go back and watch videos. When you watch videos very well, you understand all this thing I'm saying. You understand it. Then it will not be like magic to you. When people are sharpening, when you see a professional sharpening, where anyhow he or she move the hand, you are going to understand that this is what he or she is trying to fashion out. But without studying all those things now, everything will look like magic. It will look like magic. Yeah, I want to go for the second side now. I'm sorry. Second side, 50 times. Mumbo, let me clean the inner surface. Just a minute. Just a minute. I have a customer. Just a minute. This is lower. I'm sorry. I'm back again. Now let me come closer to the screen and still observe the inside now. You see it? The inside is still black. That U shape is still there, but inside small blade is getting shining little by little to come and be the same with that U shape that started. Then before we can achieve that total shining across, this U shapes, that shining have to go down again. Then this back I'm touching here, this area has to go down. The two go the same level. If you are sharpening now, here and here have to be the same level. Then if the front is down, you now bring this level down where this U shape and this line, you bring it down where to come and make the level of this inside the small black color. It's a long way. But when you have a good stone surfaces, you know where to put it to achieve your aim sharp, not wasting time. But for tutorial now, we have to take it slowly like that, one step after the other, so that you can see the process, the work is going. Let's go again. That's 50 times again. For one side, you are going to repeat the same counting of 50 times again. For the second side, Mumbo, let me clear the surface first. Yeah. Mumbo, Nisuru. Yeah. Normally, that's the way I do my stone. I'm sorry, I'm back again. I'm sorry. I do jack of all trades here. Oh, that's why I'm not stable so sometimes. So let us go for the second side. That's 50 times to and fro. That's 50 times is for one side. My advice for learners, don't use all these clipper blades for starting. It will discourage you. We still have a long way to go. We still have a long way to go. Let me see, come nearer to the screen. Let me change the light, whether I want to bring something out. Yeah, watch it now. You see that this? You see where the shining is, that U shape, you can see it. You see the inside of the blade, black color. You see like this. We still have long way to go. We have long way to go. You see? Now what to do now? Let's go one time on the smooth. After this one time, we'll now change the surface of the stone. We are back to live again. I'm very sorry for that. It was network problem. Now, the customer is around to sharpen clipper blade. We have to pack this one aside. As I used to say, you have to, let me put this one here, you see, or let me turn it like this so that you not resemble the one I put here, so that confusion will not come. You see the way I put it here now? Yo, this is the one we are sharpening before. Now, these are the clipper blade here now. So let me remove them one by one. Okay. We want to blend them out. The blue yini. GTS. Oh, yàtọ̀ síra wọn gan, ó yàtọ̀. Ó yàtọ̀ síra wọn. This one is GTS clipper blade. Ẹ̀yin ń wò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kò sí tí ọba ń bẹ 808 ni. 808 GTS.
ọba ni
808 ni nǹkan lè mú jọba kọ lè mú wá 808 lélẹ́yìn.
ok ẹ má jọ pa àwọn kò tẹ̀ lé papọ̀
kò lè papọ̀ ṣéèpù wọn ò papọ̀
ó lè fi jẹ́rìí
àní ṣéèpù wọn ò papọ̀ ganan sẹ́rí kan ti gé lẹ́yìn ti GTS yìí then kọ́lọ̀ wọn yàtọ̀ kọ́lọ̀ ilé bákan náà ni
kékeré wọn yẹn ni mo ní máa
àní kò papọ̀ tí n sọ ni wípé kọ́lọ̀ ilé àti ilé ìpamọ́ra wọn then kọ́lọ̀ ti ilé àti ilé ìjọra wọn kò papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn èmi ti rí yàtọ̀ ń bẹ̀ èmi rí yàtọ̀ lẹ́yìn ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ máa kó sí. So the owner is trying to tell me that I should not mix the clipper blade up. Okay, fine, let me show you before we start. This one is a GTS clipper blade. You can see the inside now. It's down, totally it's down. This one, that's what I was saying from the beginning of this tutorial. I may be on live and a real work is come and no need to cut the live. We have to join it together to do it so that we give the person the whole public the confidence that what you are doing is right. We know what you are doing and it's always correct. So let us sharpen for this one. Then let me show you the second one. This 808. You see the mouth again, just the same. This center is down. We need to do a great job there, but let us make it faster and snappy. Let's make it snappy. We clean the back of the blade first. I'm trying to clean the back. So I want to fix up the masking tape at the back of the blade for easy grading. Kò sí bí mo ṣe lè lo iná tó lo iná dídàjì sí lórí iṣu. Ọlọ́run kò ṣe tìyín náà bẹ́ẹ̀ o wọ́n á jẹ́ ọpẹ́ má jẹ́ òjì náà. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní máa pa wọn ní kí n máa lò wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀. Bí kí n yọ ọ́ fún ẹ̀ pátápátá bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tẹ̀ ní kí n má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ní kí n sì kalẹ̀. Ṣé ń sọ náà nìyẹn o?
torí ètè mi jẹ́ sí tí mo pa ilé ọ̀pá tó jẹ́ kíní ọ̀fáàtà ní ọ̀rẹ́ kọ́kọ́ ojú èyí tí àwọn báyìí di ojú orí ààrẹ ọjọ́ ilé ìdáná tí mo fi lọ rà táìmù tí mọ́mí mi
mo rántí gbà yẹn
tí mo lo 10 days tí mo fi ọ́ọ̀fù tí mo fi tilẹ̀ àṣekò tí mo jà tó ti sinmi sára báyìí.
Ó ti sinmi o. Now I want to show you the blade before we start. This one is a GTS. You see the inside of it. Let me show you like this. You see the inside. You see the inner surface of it. You see the inner surface. Yeah. Then this one is 808. You see the inner surface. See the back. So let us sharpen the upper clipper blade first. Upper clipper blade first before we go for the bottom clipper blade. I want to set the camera very well so that the stone will be by the okay, it's too much like this. Yeah. And this one delay the time. Ẹ dákun tẹ́ bá ní blade condemn ẹ dákun mú wá o. Ìkéré rẹ̀ lọ́yìn lánàá. Ní ìrí pọ̀. Àwọn blade tí ọ̀dà mọ́ tẹ̀tí láyé ẹ̀
tí mo di àbáńdọ́.
Ẹ tẹ́kun bá rí ń rà ni o. Wọ́n àti báyìí fi rán wọn sí mi lónìí. Ẹ bá rí tó bí 30 àbí 40 táwọn tó ti bàjẹ́ wáyé yẹn. Yes. Tani.
Muy.
Tani.
Àbúrò Ṣákì ọmọ aláta.
Okay. Oh, man. Now let us go for the upper clipper blade first, as usual. That's 25 times for one side. Yes, number.
Ṣákì.
Number. I'm very sorry. I'm back again. Máa pa. Nǹkan fẹ́ ṣe tòkè yẹn náà ni. Iṣẹ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ bí tòkè yìí. Ẹnu ẹ̀ ti cough. Let me still repeat it one time. Okay. The mouth has coughed. The inner surface of the upper clipper blade has covered. Máa bí pọ̀jù ọ̀lọ́ ni. Àwọn lò tán pàwátá ni. Gbogbo náà yà á. Ó kúnú pàwátá. Ó sì wúlò, ó wúlò. Àwọn èso bíléèdì nù. Ó sì kù díẹ̀. Yeah, it's okay like this. See like this. So the customer come from far away. I don't have time to be showing it one by one. Bear with me. Mo dọ́dọ̀ continental lánàá bọ̀ kọ́ ọmọ mi. Ọ̀dà mi mọ̀. Pẹ̀lú mímọ̀. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta tó ń gbọ̀ngàn mi. Àbílò tó tẹ̀ márùn-ún o, tó tẹ̀ márùn-ún. Ìgbà kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́, mo ti lọ́dọ̀ ẹbí ẹ̀ méjì rí. Àná mo bá ń ta tí ń pọ́n fèdè fẹ́ nìkan. Sísítẹ́ẹ̀mù tèmi ń lò kọ́ ní ń lò. Òkúta gbẹrẹ fún làwọn ń ṣe báyìí. Mo ti lù yẹn kọjá sẹ́yìn. Let me show you the inner surface of the upper clipper blade for 808. You see it? It has curved inside. Ọkọ̀ bẹ tablet fún mi. Ọyọ ní 15 naira tí mo sọ yọ ló ti kéré jù. Olóhùn ò lè ta. Olóhùn ò ní mọ́.
Ó ní 15 naira lẹ́yìn.
Ń bọ̀. Ó lè lò ní mara sẹ́ẹ̀tì kan máa ní 15 naira. Mo tún ra dà tẹ bá kó lọ fáwọn bólà bí wọ́n scale ẹ̀ ni. Mọ́tò tuntun tí máa ń yàn àgbélọ̀ fún bólà sí ẹ̀ lè ta 1 million. Wọ́n ta àjòkò lójú 50,000 lọ mọ́tò tuntun. Mo lè ta mọ́tò Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa. Complete mọ́tò tí ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ mo ti ta rí ìgbà tí ó sàfẹ́ pa mí. We still have to repeat it one time again. We have to repeat it one time. We have to repeat it. ó dúdú báyìí ó dúdú continental sọ́jọ́ Yorùbá gan báyìí ṣé Yorùbá ni Yorùbá rẹ̀ ní bá mi sọ bọ́ọ̀tì. mo ti lọ́dọ̀ ìjọ kan náà tí mo ìmọ̀ tí mo ń wá òkè studio mo wá lọ́jọ́ yẹn ẹnìkan júwe studio kan mi lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi ẹ̀ máa lọ bí lọ́wọ́ rẹ̀.
Àgbà tó mú jáde lọ́dọ̀ ilé ìwọ̀n tó ní oṣù kẹ́kẹ́ tí ó ní ọba lọ́dọ̀ ṣẹ́kẹ́.
Kí ni yóò ṣe?
Lọ́dọ̀ ṣẹ́kẹ́.
Ẹni yóò ṣe kí ni yóò ṣe kí ni?
Ọba ti lẹ́nìkan bá ti lè pọ́n kẹ́ni kan bá ó lè kó ti pọ̀ lẹ́. Wọ ìyọ̀ orogún.
Ìyẹn ọ̀dà.
Ó ti wà ní.
Ó dàbí mọ́tò kí alẹ́ nìkan ti jókòó níbi síìtì mọ́tò.
Ọ̀dọ̀ ṣẹ́kẹ́ tí tí ọ̀wá jẹ tó lọ́dọ̀ tiẹ̀ náà fáìlì nílò ní
Fáìlì wo?
Ẹ́ńjìnì oní tẹ̀yàn bí àwọn
Ṣùgbẹ́ka.
bí àwọn ọlọ́dún ńlá lọ.
Nílò.
Ẹ́ńjìnì lọ ṣẹ́kẹ́ ní.
Ẹ máa jẹ orílẹ̀ gan.
Nígbà tá a lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti ọ̀gá àwọn tó wà lókè ní ọ̀gbẹ́ yà. Mo ní tí ń bẹ́ẹ̀ nu eléyìí ni pé bíléèdì ò ní pẹ́ tí ì tán. Olóòtú wá yá nǹkan. Olóòtú ọlọ́mọ ti sọ. Olóyè gbèsè lélẹ́ yóò kó báyìí. Bí ọmọ èrè pọn ilé ìrìnjì ní bíléèdì ọ̀tá. Yóò pẹ̀lẹ́ burúkú. Tẹ̀lé bàbá. Òní ìbá ti ń pẹ́ mi kiri yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ lẹ́yìn.
Ẹ mẹ́ta kọ ẹ mẹ́ta kọ mọ́ orí lẹ́fù la wà.
Ọmọ máa hàn nínú wọn.
Ìyẹn hàn ògùn tàǹsọ̀ yẹn hàn náà.
Sílẹ̀.
Gbogbo àgbáyé ló ń wò wá. Ó kẹ́ jẹ́ kí n pa ẹnu kínní yìí o. I want to blend the teeth of this clipper blades. Gbogbo àgbáyé ní wọ́n tà ṣe. Victoria blade gbogbo àgbáyé ní máa wò. Gbogbo àgbáyé. That means I'm only 6,000, 7,000 views, 1,000 plus. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀kọ́ làbí ń kọ́. Ẹ̀kọ́ náà ni. The way tí mo ṣe rí lánàá yẹn, mo ti lo system yẹn kọjá. System yẹn ti kọjá. System yẹn ti kọjá. System yẹn ti kọjá.
Ó ti gẹ́ràn tí ọ̀tẹ̀ ló kù kí nìkan tí yàn máa ṣe rádaràdà àrí kan lù wá.
Ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo tí mi máa ń consider bíléèdì tuntun mo gbé wá fún yàn ẹlòmí ò rí pọ́n lóòótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀wù tó kù ń bí ara bíléèdì yẹn ẹ rí i pé nítorí kẹ́ni kò fi pọ́n lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́wàá ẹnì kó mú kó mẹ́lẹ̀ kan ẹgbẹ́ tí mo sọ yẹn sìn nítorí lè mú kí bíléèdì ọ̀lẹ́dẹ̀ díẹ̀ bí ni pé jẹ́ bá ti páàkì tó ti jìn. No, ìyẹn lè gbà ìyẹn pọn ìlọ́kàn pẹ̀lú.
Ibi tí ní fáàkì gbé nígbà tí irinṣẹ́ náà bá tẹ̀ sí ìdáná tó náà ti gbé tọ́pàá ti lọlẹ̀ fún gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ pé máa tí máa fa àgbàsàn fún àpáàkì. Ìgbà tó bá kìbọ̀ tí ọ̀sẹ̀ tì yóò máa fi nǹkan ràn án lọ́wọ́.
So I'm trying to blend the mouth of the blade. It's just like needle before. So I've tried to blend the bottom clipper blade for GTS and bottom clipper blade for 808. You see it? So let me return this one back. Oníná tèmi ń lò yìí original ni. Òun yìí jẹ blade anyhow. Now let us start the sharpening for this one. We have to use square straight, not to waste our time, not to delay the customer down. lè yọ fàṣẹ́gun tí ìyẹn ti jìn. I don't want to delay the customer down. Let us use square straight, not to tie the job down. 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 Léèdì yẹn mò ń wá lóòótọ́ ni o. Mo ń wá o. Mo ń wá tó ti condemn. Tó ti condemn. Ẹ ti pẹ́. Wọ́n kò dédé ọ. You have to do fast because of this job. The inside is too deep. The inside is too deep. Okay. Yeah, let me show you now. Let me show you now. Instead of wasting our time, you can see what I've brought out now. You see like this. Let's test and see what it's going to give us. Let me go for the second one first. Let me go for the second one. Ó wà lẹ́yìn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ó ṣiṣẹ́. Mo fẹ́ ra relé yìí mi. Ìkejì relé yìí wà nílé. Mo fẹ́ ra relé mi síbẹ̀.
Ẹ ti ra irú ẹ̀ kan náà sínú ilé tẹ́ ẹ lò.
Ó wà nílé. Ooru ti pọ̀ jù. Mi ì sílẹ̀kùnlẹ̀, mi ì sílẹ̀kùnlẹ̀. Hey, let me show you this one. Look at this blade now. Look at the inside. You see the inside? So deep. That stainless you are watching is shallow area. You can see it. So deep. Let's go to it. I'll blend the mouse first.
Double panel di àwọn tó lè bó sì wáyé tí yàn bá tanná fún tí ìsinú pé yóò mú tanná kankan lára yóò gbé àwọn tí ìtọ́jú ọmọ tó jẹ́ kankan tí àwọn tọ́jú ọmọ tí wọ́n lè bí yóò gbé fún mẹ́ta.
Mi ò tí ì tẹ́sí rẹ̀. Mi ò lè gbé tó pọ̀ lórí wọn bá. Eléyìí gan mo fi ń charge laptop lọ́wọ́ èyí tí mò ń lò lọ́wọ́ yẹn. likely no be leather. Let me come to show you first. You still have a long way to go. You see the inside? The inside has chopped. That black area you're watching, the center, this center area you're watching is down. You see it? It's a great work. It's a great work. So deep, so deep, so deep, so deep. Let me show you the remaining part now. Watch carefully now. Look at this area. This area is down totally. This area. You see? This area is totally down. Totally down. Work is there plenty. Work is there plenty. Work is there plenty, 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 plenty. Let's go again. Times. Yeah, that is why I'm saying know how to design the stone surfaces very well. Know the way you design the stone surface. This clipper blade I'm sharpening, if you don't know your way out, it's going to take you a whole day. I'm telling you sincerely. The two clipper blades is going to take you a whole day before you can sharpen it. Live and direct. It's going to take you a whole day. It's going to take you a whole day. It's going to take you a whole day. Yeah, remove the second side now. And let me come and show you now. For you to know that what sharper can do, stone can do better. You see like this? Whatever you can use your stone to do, stone can still do better again. I'm telling you. Whatever stone can do, sharper can do better. Yeah, I want people to come back to the stone very well soon of the stone and sharper. Very soon now we're going to start tutorial on sharper. Let us test for this 808 now. Let us test for this one. Let us test for it. To see how the work is. Eh? Wọ́n ń wò mí báyìí. Ẹ̀yin ewo ń bì ní. Ẹ̀yin ewo ń bì ní. Brother mi kẹ́sẹ̀ kó ń bì ní. Wọ́n máa ń sọ fún mi pé mo ti ń tó àṣírí iṣẹ́ yìí ju èèyàn mélòó wá ní í ṣe. Èèyàn mélòó lọ́mọ àgbà tí mo ti ń ṣe ńlẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ wo fíìmù bí tẹ́ bá ń wo fíìmù ẹ ti mọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Gbogbo àṣírí bí mo ṣe ń ṣe mo máa fi hàn. Kọ́lá mo fi hàn ju àwọn òyìnbó gan lọ. Mi ì fàṣírí kankan pamọ́ gbogbo tí mo ń ṣe yìí. Tẹ́pọ̀ àwọn ní gbogbo tí mo ń lò yìí wọ́n ní ń lò. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ lò wọ́n kọjú kámẹ́rà síbò míì wọ́n wá lò tí wọ́n ṣe kọjú kámẹ́rà síbẹ̀. So ẹ̀ ní mọ̀ tí a fi ń ra ojú ọlọ. Ẹ kàn rí pé wọ́n ń pọn yín yáwó dẹ̀ ń dà. Ṣé tí mo sọ yé yín? Gbogbo tèmi ń lò pátápátá mo fi hàn. The customer is with me here. We are talking about the work that I'm not hiding any secret pertaining to this job. I don't hide anything there. Yeah, don't let me show it now. Don't let me show it now. If I didn't get this one right, don't watch my tutorial again. No, don't watch the tutorial again at all. All this clipper was using roughly, very, very roughly. Let me open it where we can see the inside now. Watch carefully now. What can you see? This is the correct sign you're supposed to see. Test confirm. This one is okay now. This one is okay. But this one, let me see, check the inside very well before we test it. Let me check the inside very well. There's one thing I want to show you here. There's one dark portion here, which, watch carefully now. Look at this area. You see one line here. This area covered. Watch from here like this. Let me shorten the pointer. Watch carefully like this. Yeah, watch this area like this. This area covered. That area is down. The area is that the center of the blade will not work. That area covered will not work at all. When they adjust the packet to that side, we need to clear that area off. We need to clear it off. We need to clear it off. And look at the tí yàn bá máa fọpọlọ sí tí yàn máa bù ń bí ọ pọ̀ gan mo fi máa ń ṣe máa ń bo lójú díẹ̀ ni so that iye ìgbà tí yóò fi lù ọ pọ̀ gan mo láwọn òkúta burúkú jẹ́ pé má gbé létí ó but mi ò lò bẹ́ẹ̀ àti pé mò ń ṣèdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fáwọn èèyàn bí ẹ ṣe ń lo nǹkan èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ máa lò lálùbàjẹ́ ẹgẹ́ tí mo sọ yẹn sìn gbogbo bí mo ṣe ń ṣe ní gbogbo àgbáyé ń wò so tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá wá ń pọ́n tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń waste blade àwọn ọlọ́pọlọ tó máa ju àdán náà ń wò ṣe tí mo sọ yé yín tó máa sọ pé eré ti pọ̀jù dẹ̀lú ìdúró lè sàwọn ọlọ́ọ̀mí nù yá. Thirty-nine. 39. That's 39 times each for one side. These two clipper blades I'm sharpening. If you don't know what your way out, I'm telling you sincerely, it's going to consume a whole day from you. Let's test this one how it's going to be. Let's test it. Let's test it. How it's going to be. Let me see. Okay, the camera can pick it. Yeah. It's set up well like this. Lédi ọlápọ̀ ẹjẹ́ kọ́sọ́mà gidi ni 1k ni ẹyọ kan àwọn tí wọ́n àwọn fowó lé lórí wá ní ẹ bá ti lò ẹ̀yìn sáwádáwá ọlápọ̀ ẹjọ́ wà ti pẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ bá yín bì gan wọ́n máa fowó lé wọ́n máa wọn láwọn kéèké wọ́n fowó lé lórí. níyàn bá tó máa bá fún yàn lẹ́bùn rẹ̀ bí ètò yẹn máa bàjẹ́ pọ̀ èèyàn kan máa jẹ́ mo ti ẹni mú bíléèdì wá bí mo ti kọ̀ndẹ́mù ẹ̀rí 808 nìkan àwọn ti jọ́ǹtẹ́ máa ṣe tí máa fẹ̀ lẹ́yìn yẹn kì í pè ní pa overt mi fẹ́ pọ́n bíléèdì yẹn tíyàn bá páàkì ẹ̀ wájú ń pọ́n bọ̀t yóò waste epo á waste epo máa pọ́n but á waste epo ẹni bá ti a lè sanwó rẹ̀. You see now, let me show you now, let me show you. You see the work now? So if you know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you see your tail length and you can see it. So this is the one I was using for live before. This is it. We still back to it. So these are the one brought to me for sharpening. You see it. This is the two of them, 808 and the GTS clipper blade. I blend the man for this one, I blend the man for this one, sharpen for this one, sharpen for this one. You see it. It's status confirmed now. So let me clean it and package it for the customer that owns it. So that is why I'm saying whenever I'm on live, so and they bring work for me, I will never cut the live unless the network problem will come. I will never cut it. You have to join things together. That one will prove that the tutorial we are doing is real. It's real. It's real. It's real. Iṣẹ́ ti wà òkè bẹ́ẹ̀. Confirm. Confirm ni. Ẹ̀ ń lo blade mi. Ayé bí mo láwọn ọ̀rẹ́ tí ń ṣe ń lọrin. Tí n bá sí WhatsApp mi hàn yín, ohun wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀tẹ́ fọ́tò àwọn blade tẹ́ máa pọ́n àdúrà èrè pọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ́ máa sẹ́ndì sí mi. Ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ síbẹ̀ kì í pé yẹn ń pò pé yẹn máa o. Bọ̀ kò ní dá kí n máa fojú wọn hàn yín. Àwọn tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ni. Wọ́n tó mẹ́fà lórí fóònù mi ń sìn. Wọ́n tó mẹ́fà ń bẹ̀. Bọ́sẹ̀ ni pé iṣẹ́ yìí need research. Ẹ lè gbé old system ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń lò. Irú ètò mo ní mo lọ bẹ̀ lánàá ń sìn tí orí plane òkúta báyìí tí ò sí kẹrẹ́sì tí ó sì yàn kán bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tí ń pọ̀n. Mi ti lo system yẹn kọjá more than 7 years ago 8 years ago. Ebi ò ní pọ́n òbẹ̀ tí mi ò lè fẹ́ pọ́n lójúmọ́ tó fi máa ta yín bí irú yẹn. Ẹ̀wọ̀n mi ò ṣe ń ṣe tó yẹn ń sìn ọwọ́ mi ń tutù ni ọ̀gbọ̀nọ̀ gbóná.
Bàbá àwọn náà èyí lò bẹ́ẹ̀. Bàbá tí mo sọ fún yín. Ìwé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fi ṣe ń lò náà. Yóò máa lo epo yóò sì lo sọ́yìn ṣe.
Mi ò lo sọ́yìn tèpù sí. Tí n bá sọ́tò lọ́wọ́ mi máa yọ.
Yóò fi sọ́yìn tèpù sí ibi.
Àmì máa fi sọ́wọ́
sẹ́yìn bíléèdì náà.
Ok, ẹ̀yìn bíléèdì. Àmì máa fi sọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Òun èfi sọ́wọ́.
So I finished with the clipper blade. I want to give it to the owner. The owner is here. You see it.
Tọ̀rọ̀ náà ti jẹ èyí máa ń sakọ. Tọ̀rọ̀ náà ti jẹ.
Àdúrà ọmọ bá ọ àmì ṣíṣe ọ àjọ mọ wá ọ. Yeah, I'm back again. I escorted my customer. I see him off. He come from a far distance area. From far distance. That is how they use clipper blade here, or not to deceive ourselves. If you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, or you see all this rotten one I'm sharpening, the two they brought now, double this one. The difficulty in sharpening it, double this one. So if you know how to sharpen your clipper blade very well, you know the step by step to sharpen. When you start, at times, if you don't have the confidence, your mind will be telling you that this thing will work. But since you get pattern for your work, I have pattern for the way I do my things. So it's the pattern that will be controlling me till I will do the work to the finishing point. So let us complete the job for this one. Let us use squash on it to see what we are going to get. That is what I'm saying. If I'm on live, read will come. I will never cut the live. Let me see the screen. Yeah, the live is still on. Unless the network problem occur, how should I cut it? It will even improve my life because the one I was teaching about before, some people may be doubting this one, that one, but another one come for customer, and I did this sharp, give it to the customer back, test it, confirm. Will everybody accept it? Very, very acceptable. You see like that? Hey, the masking tape is weak. It's weak. It can give person injury like that. If care is not taken, person can carry injury like that. The masking tape is weak, so I've removed it. I want to put another masking tape there. Let me retrieve the surface of the stone. That's 50 times one side. So I'm still going to repeat the same thing for the other side. Repeat the same thing for the other side. Times again for the other side. Let us watch the inner surface now. Yeah, there's something I want to show you now. The center is down totally. I'll come closer to the screen and show you, for you to know that the way people are using blade here. Yeah, look at this pointer. I want to place it somewhere. Then look at that area. I want to place it. Look at this area. Watch this area very well. This area, I place it. Watch now. You see the line there? That area is down totally. The back here, high. This place is higher. This place is high. This place is high. This area I covered is down totally. So we need to bring the level of this area, level of the front down to come and make the level of this center before this clipper can work for. It will work in the front here. It can work in the front, it can work in local, but this center, when you adjust the back clipper blade to the center, that's not going to work at all. So we have to correct that area. This kind of clipper blade now, overuse the packaging. The upper clipper blade now be drilling the inside of the bottom clipper blade excessively, abnormally. Two. Let me still observe the inside again. High. It's down totally. Totally down. Now I'm seeing another thing again which I need to expose. I don't know whether the camera can pick it. I've seen another thing entirely now. I want to fashion it, whether the camera can pick it for me. There's one step in front of this blade. Watch now, look at this area. Watch carefully. This area I covered from here to the front is a step. I'm coming. You see? It's a step, which means you have to chop all this area like this, chop it down, chop this thicker blade here, down totally to go and make the level of this front. This area is down totally. Okay. Yeah, my God. Let us go, still go again. Fifty times. Times. 50 times each for one side. Let us see what is going to happen. Let's check the inner surface of it. Yeah. It's still the same, but there is changes. There is changes. There is changes. Where is the pointer? Where is the pointer? This is a line. Let me come closer to the camera. I want everybody to see the line. There's one line inside the blade. There's one line there. I want to fashion it out. I'm watching it here. Yeah, this is the line here, but I want the camera to pick it here like this. I want the camera to pick it for me. There's one line there. Yeah. Yeah, you see it now. You see it now. This is the line I'm seeing. If you don't know how to observe very well, it's a big problem. Oh, you need to watch my videos. Look at this area I covered. This area I covered. When I look at where see the line. That area, the rotten, maybe the chemical they put on it, I don't know whether they put it inside dustbin, anyhow they put it. It has chopped that area down. You see it? I'm seeing it clearly. I'm seeing it clearly like this without looking it through the screen. Showing clearly for here, but I want you to show very well. Yeah, it has shown now. You see it? This area is totally down. It's totally down. So we are still coming back for this blade again. Let me try it one time again. So I want to do it slowly so that step by step we're going. At the end of the day, we are going to see the better results. We are going to see the best of the results from it. So I'm using this one to show you as a learner. If I want to finish it in the day I'm finished, we are going to finish it, but to show you a time when you nearly start sharpening, if you come across a very strong blade, when you sharpen it, make sure you maintain the total flatness and total shining across on the surface of the stone. Don't ever rush to lose. Maybe out of 100%, you have done 40% work. Don't try to lose the quality of the 40% you have done on the job. Still remain 50%. So you can postpone the work again till another time you have chance. You see it? You can postpone the work till another time you have time, maybe tomorrow in the evening time, midnight. You now bring it out again and resharpen it, continue with what you are doing until you achieve your aim. Don't say because you want it to work now, you now do abnormal work on it so that you lose the standard of the working you are starting with. It's difficult to come back to regain that standard again. Only professional can do it better. Only professional. Those two clipper blades are sharpening finish now. The 808, they have sharpened it before. The stone has chopped the inside like this one. The stone has chopped the, but this one rotting. That's why it was in this form. This one rotting. The rottenness caused this one. But the one that they sharpened it before, the stone has chopped the inside. It doesn't work. Did not work at all. You see that I was showing you before I cleared the hero out. Only I said I don't want to inform the customer. I don't want to let him know, because a regular customer, maybe he too is trying to sharpen the back without getting it right. That's why I'm saying if you don't know how to clear the hero, it will be a big problem. So this one now, that line I show you now is totally down. It's totally down. You don't need to waste time too much to today. Tomorrow we are still coming back on it. Let me remove this masking tape to put it aside. On it. Yeah, I want to remove it to the half part of it. I want to remove the half part of it so that we are coming back next. Maybe when you still have another tutorial, we still join it again. So you see it here? Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is it. You can see it. So when I'm coming back for another tutorial, we are still going to join it up. The hole is too deep. It's too deep. This one is showing us that when you jam a very stronger blade, you are practicing. You can do small today, small tomorrow, next tomorrow. You continue. You conclude the job. Let me check the time. Yeah. So I'm stopping for here now. We are still coming back again.